I welcome you all to my channel ICT Hub. In this session, we will learn about MS Excel functions and formulas. MS Excel formula are one of the most useful features of MS Excel program. A formula can be used for simple calculation like adding two numbers or for complex calculation needed for accountancy, business, mathematics, etc. Once you learn basic format of creating a formula in MS Excel, it can calculate each and everything for you. A formula and a function both are used for the calculation. So the first topic that we are going to discuss today is MS Excel. MS Excel provides you the facility to calculate the functions and formulas. It is basically a spreadsheet which provides you different functions. You can perform operations on numerical or the non-numerical data. Like numerical means 0 to 9 combination of digits, and non-numerical like you can perform different operations or functions on date and time text functions. And it is basically a component of MS Office suite. In MS Office suite we have MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access and different many other features. Here you can see different features of MS Excel. By using MS Excel, you can create different database. You can make worksheets or workbook. You can create charts. In the previous session, we have discussed about how can you create a chart in MS Excel. Variety of charts are available. You can use the charts according to your choice. When you open MS Excel, you can see this window or the interface of MS Excel. Here you can see that the first bar is the title bar. Then we have a ribbon. On the ribbon we have 7 tabs: Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, Data, Review and View. According to each tab, we have variety of tools that can be used to perform different operations. And on the MS Excel screen we have different cells. These cells are called blocks. The cell which is in bold is called active cells and rest of the cells are passive. You can see that the columns are named A, B, C, D and the rows are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the interface of MS Excel screen. You can see that there is a tab of formulas in MS Excel. So the MS Excel ribbon contains 7 tabs which allows different formulas. You don't have to memorize all of the functions. What is a cell reference? When you are writing a formula in MS Excel, it is very important to know about the cell reference. A cell reference is the location of a cell in a spreadsheet. It is also referred to as its cell address. How can you find out a cell reference? Simply look at its column and the row position in the spreadsheet. It is the combination of the column letter and the row number, such as A1, B3 or D15. Here you can see the bold cell address is C5. C is the column name and 5 is the row number. So the cell reference is the combination of column name plus row number. And the cell reference is very important when you are writing a formula. Using formulas. How can you use formulas? Formulas can be entered in formula bar or inside the cell. What are the steps to write a formula? First of all, you have to select the cell in which you want the result to be displayed. Like here, I am choosing B12. Type the equal sign in the formula bar. Then type the reference of the cell whose result is to be calculated and the operator sign. Press the enter key and the result will be appear in the selected cell. So, a formula is the set of mathematical instructions that can be used in Excel to perform operations or calculations. You can perform different operations, arithmetic operations, plus, minus, divide, multiply, modulus, etc. You need some constant values and an operator to perform the functions. Always start your formula with an equal sign. After writing the formula, press the enter button to get the result. Here you can see that I have taken two values in A1 cell reference and A2, and I will start my formula with an equal sign, then A1 plus A2. When I press the enter button, the result will be displayed on that cell. Here you can see different operators: exponent, steric for multiplication, division, addition and subtraction on basic two cell references A1 and A2, and the result according to these two cell references. So it's quite simple to calculate or to write formulas in MS Excel by using cell references of the required cell. Error results. Sometimes a formula display an error result such as number sign value rather than the result it was intended to display. These are basically the type of errors in MS Excel. Some other errors in MS Excel are tetra hashtag. The column is not wide enough to display the numbers. So what will be the solution? You have to increase the column width by dragging the column. Number 2, number divisible by 0. When you are trying to divide any number by 0, it displays such sort of error. So what will be the solution? You have to change the number, because we can't divide any number by 0. Number 3, number not available. When you are trying to divide, when you are trying to perform any operation on a number and the number is not available, like if I am going to calculate two values, going to calculate the sum of two values that are in A1 and A2 cell reference, and if there is no value in A1, such message or such error result will be displayed. When I provide the value in that cell reference, this error will be resolved. Autosum feature. It is a shortcut key feature for using MS Excel sum function. It provides a quick way of adding up columns or rows of numbers in a spreadsheet. What are the steps to apply Autosum feature are: first, you have to enter the data into the cells like A1 to A5. Make sure that the location where the result will be displayed is blank. Then you have to click on the Home tab to select the Autosum button on the ribbon to enter the sum function into the cell A6. Drag the mouse to select the cells from A1 to A5 in the spreadsheet. Press the enter key to get the result. So here we have the result, and you can see that the whole function will be displayed like equal sign, sum in the smaller brackets or parentheses. You can see the cells location like B2 to B6 or A1 to A5. Function is a built-in formula in MS Excel that is used to carry out common mathematical calculations. Functions save us from writing lengthy formula. Excel can be used to perform tasks such as finding average or sum for a range of numbers, and these common functions are also available in Autosum feature. Functions should begin with the equal sign followed by the function name. Sum or average is the function name. Here you can see that you have to start your function with an equal sign. Then when you type the name, a drop down list will appear and you can select your desired function. We have a variety of functions in MS Excel, starting from the very basic level and going to the complex level. According to your choice, you can choose any of the function. Here you can see that these are the basic functions that we use in our daily routine, like sum to calculate the sum, average to calculate the percentage, minimum to find the minimum value, maximum to find the maximum value, count to count the total numbers in the range or in a column. Functions library. Functions library is a large group of functions on the Formula tab of the ribbon. These functions include Autosum function, which we have already discussed. It calculates the sum, average, maximum, minimum, and count. It is the shortcut feature to calculate the basic functions. Recently used. All recently used functions are included. Financial. It is the list of financial functions such as to calculate the interest, cash flow, return rates, additional financial functions, and others. Logical. It is the list of logical functions. Text functions. It includes text-based functions. Date and time. You can also perform functions on date and time. Math and trigonometric functions. List of mathematical functions. And we have many other functions in the function library. You can use any function according to your choice. Here you can see that lookup and reference functions and cubicle function, engineering functions. So they are starting from the basic level and they move to the complex level. It's up to you which functions you are using, which are the required functions. You can use according to your choice. This is it for today's lesson. I think now you people are very clear about functions and formulas. How can you write them in MS Excel, and what is the basic difference between function and a formula. Thank you so much for watching my video. Like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon for more videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.